Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will explore the steps to take when faced with a non-repairable HDMI connector on your PlayStation 5. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You may also want to have some isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. Begin by unplugging your PlayStation 5 and placing it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the console. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Next, gently lift the cover off the console. This will expose the internal components, including the HDMI connector. Take a moment to inspect the area for any visible damage or debris. If you notice dust or dirt, use the isopropyl alcohol and cloth to clean the surrounding area carefully. Now locate the HDMI connector. If it appears damaged or loose, it may be necessary to replace it. However, if you are unsure about proceeding with the repair, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation and provide you with the best course of action. If you decide to continue, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the HDMI connector. Be cautious during this step, as the connector is delicate. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the connector out of its socket. Before installing a new connector, ensure that the area is clean and free from any obstructions. If you require a replacement part, we can assist you with sourcing the correct HDMI connector. Additionally, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making the process seamless and convenient. Once you have the new connector, align it carefully with the socket and press it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. It's crucial to ensure that the connector is firmly in place to avoid future issues. After securing the connector, replace the cover of the console and reinsert the screws. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement. Finally, plug your PlayStation 5 back in and test the HDMI connection. If you encounter any further issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any hidden costs. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about calls or travel. By following these steps, you can address HDMI connector issues on your PlayStation 5 effectively. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.